You guys have a missing person.
If he hits that tail in mud over there, like, he's done for. He ain't coming out.
Are you like killing somebody and burying them back here? Like, what are you doing?
He looks in bad condition. Yeah, he don't look good.
Oh, what do we have here? We have missing man found alive after 8 days, buried to his head in mud. Bro missed his chance to be famous in 50,000 years. This is by EW Body Cam. Thank you guys for tuning in. And without further ado, let's get it.
When a car is found abandoned near an excavation facility, a search and rescue operation will lead deputies down a mysterious and treacherous path in their hunt for its missing owner, whose bizarre history is not enough to prepare officials for what they're about to encounter.
Yeah. Apparently got a chain in a cement box or cement block wrapped around his ankle.
Sir?
What?
The following report is based on official police records released to date, and most of the footage has never been seen before until now. On February 23, 2026, a woman in Putnam County, Florida calls the sheriff's department, unknowingly setting the stage for an extremely unusual multi-agency operation.
Sheriff's Office 1451 lines reported. Yes, ma'am. I wanted to report a car that's been abandoned on our road. What's the address? It's just the beginning of Paran Church Road in Melrose. What kind of car is it? It's a white Ford Fusion. Okay, I will have a deputy out there. Thank you.
The car has been found near a Vulcan Materials gravel and sand excavation facility. The responding deputy meets with the company manager upon realizing he already had an encounter with the vehicle's owner 3 years ago.
All right.
Got some riffraff running around these days.
I'll tell you, this guy last time, dude, it was like 2023, I think is when it was.
I remember hearing about it.
Yeah. So I remember he kept going in, and we finally got up in there and got him caught.
Court records show that Andrew Giddens, the registered owner of the Fusion, was arrested for criminal mischief and trespassing at another Vulcan Materials processing facility in 2023.
It was weird, man. He
What the
had
fuck?
chains and weights and just like, are you like killing somebody and burying them back here? Like, what are you doing?
At the time, Andrew pled no contest and was sentenced to 12 months probation and ordered to pay $2,000 in restitution. It's beginning to look like that wasn't enough of a deterrent.
But then I got thinking, like, on the way
Obviously, because now he got himself in a jam that he can't get out of.
back towards town, I was like, wait a minute. There's sand. See the sand?
How the fuck he get sand
yeah.
in there?
So he's definitely
Oh, yeah.
same
that's
old
Taylor's
MO,
sand.
you know?
Yeah. He just showed me the mud on the seat. Like, that's hard Taylor's mud. Like, he's been walking back there somewhere. It's that clay, silky type.
Yeah.
That they're doing weird. So it's like,
Obviously.
he had like chains, he had some kettlebells. That's what I remember he was telling. I guess the story, the same thing he was saying was, I guess he said he was filming YouTube videos. Yeah, he said he was like workout videos and
Hey, Sarge, I want to roll over there. I want to check that fence line.
A hard head make a soft ass.
A barbed wire fence surrounds the property, as much for the public's safety as the company's.
if he hits that tail in mud over there, like, he's done for. He ain't coming out.
He was around water last time.
Some people just don't learn.
Looks like it's been pushed down a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, movement right to the where the grass is folded down right there.
Out here.
It's clear sky. We can fly that chopper.
Damn, right. That's what I'm talking about.
Hell yeah.
But an aerial search of the property finds no sign of Andrew, and soon the sheriff's office learns that his disappearance has stretched on for days. Andrew's father tells them he hasn't seen his son since February 14th, a week earlier, saying it was highly unusual for his son to be out of contact for that long.
Oh,
Andrew is entered
man.
as a missing person, but it's not until 2 days later that the Vulcan Materials manager calls 911 with an astonishing update.
What's going on? You guys have a missing person. Okay. Andrew something. I can't remember his name, but they've been looking for him. He's on site right here. He's alive. He's down in the mud.
He alive after 8 days of no eating.
Okay, is he trapped in like quicksand possibly? No, he's down in the mud at our sand plant.
Vulcan sand plant?
Yes, sir.
You big dummy.
Is he stuck in there?
Yeah, he's stuck in the mud.
He's
Is
more
he
than stuck.
responding to you?
Yeah, he's looking at me. He's talking.
Okay. Can you ask him if he's gonna need rescue?
Does he need rescue, sir? No shit, Sherlock. No, he just been enjoying the mud for 8 days with no food or water. Of course he need it.
Yeah, he's gonna need somebody. Are you gonna need rescue? Yes.
Ask him what for. What's he feel pain in?
This officer got to be dumber than a box of rocks. Cause what the do you mean? Do you feel pain? How he supposed to know what he feeling? He been stuck. He probably can't feel nothing.
Man, he's been missing for 10 days or something like that. Got started out here dehydrated.
The situation forces the caller to act as a go-between for Andrew and the operator.
How long has he been there? Can you ask him if he has any idea?
How long you been here, buddy? When? I can't understand it, brother. I can't get out there in there with it.
How far away is he from you?
I'm walking back to the truck to get a water right now for him, but he's probably 100 feet.
From Solid General?
Yeah, good 50 from Solid.
The manager agrees to have someone open the gate for first responders, though it's not immediately clear how anyone will be able to get Andrew out.
See if I can get him a water out here without going in with him.
He looks in bad condition.
I know how you gonna be able to do it. Bing! What the f he supposed to look like? He been out there for 10 days.
Yeah, he don't look good. Hey, man. Hey.
What the fuck he supposed to look like?
Man, I can't get out there too. I can't get to you. Here's your water. It's cold. Be careful. Yes, sir.
How deep is he in the mud?
He's up to his shoulders.
Ooh.
Anything that you can see since you first called me?
No. No, he looks like he's been like this for days. He's got mud caked all on his head like sunbaked.
Damn.
So he shakes in there pretty solid.
Yeah. Man, brother, I'm fat and out of shape. I'm about to die.
That's how I be sounding.
You don't need a rescue, do you?
No, I
Okay.
think I'm be all right.
All right.
Getting anywhere near Andrew is a risky proposition, as deputies and fire rescue personnel will discover for themselves before long.
He's moving around. Let me get up here where I can hear him good. I got to go around some of this mud. Hold on.
Yes, sir.
Hey, how you doing down there? He said, not dead.
Okay. All right, do me a favor. Tell him if he's not sinking when he's staying still, tell him not to move so he doesn't sink down any further, okay, if he can help it.
Yep. Don't move around, buddy. We got help on the way. Man, do you have any medical conditions?
Yeah, I did.
How many days you been out here? What day did you come out here?
Somebody else.
Somebody else.
6 days with somebody else?
Yeah.
Where are they at?
No, I only know first name. John.
He said he come out here with a guy named John and left. The John guy left. What day did John leave?
Saturday morning.
You know what today is?
No.
No, you don't know.
Do you see any visible injuries to his face or anything?
No.
Oh my God. It's crazy that the site manager had been looking for this guy, knowing he was missing, knowing that he possibly could be out there. This site manager probably just saved this guy's life, because if it was up to the officers, they wouldn't have found him for sure. And then that John guy, he's a piece of shit, and we need to find him expeditiously, like yesterday.
He's covered in mud up to just under his shoulders, and I can't. He's got some kind of a chair or something behind him, a table or something.
All right.
Laying in the mud like maybe they were using it to crawl out there on or something. I don't know. Yeah, I can hear them. They must be about to pull in the gate. I can hear sirens on.
Officials from Putnam County Fire Rescue, the Putnam County Sheriff's Office, and other agencies join forces to begin the rescue operation. But even getting out to Andrew's location proves to be a challenge.
Oh, you about to slip in there. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Oh, hell no. Yep, and I would have turned my ass right back around.
Yo.
What you have to do is come up.
Come over here.
They got a truck over there? Oh, that's his.
Hey. Good thing I bring extra uniforms. Come on, sis.
Damn.
All right, which way they said walk over there that way? What do you say? Which way he said go?
Probably where all the footprints are.
That was a great analysis. Why would they go over here in the mud though? If this was my son and this shit happened, as soon as they rescue him out and he got healthy again, I would have asked him, boy, what possessed you to do this dumbass shit?
It's all up my pants.
The muddy ground leading to the pit is unstable, but what Andrew has found himself in takes things to a new level.
Oh my God.
Grab hold of that ladder. All right. Don't put the rope on.
Let's put the rope back on.
Yep. That's it. Turn a little bit and grab. Y'all seen this before? Yep.
Yeah.
First.
What'd y'all do? See him? Was he yelling or what were y'all doing?
No, dude, he wouldn't even respond. I thought he was dead whenever I first seen him. I just looked for his tracks, man. We've been looking for him. Supposedly he's been out here since Saturday or something like that.
This site manager did more for this guy than the whole police force in this county.
For an equipment, getting Andrew out of the muck won't be easy.
So there's no way to really get a good grip down in there with him without you ending up with it.
The difficulty leads to moments of frustration.
If you shut up, I could talk to you.
Uh-oh.
You tell him, Daniel.
Shit.
You tell him, Daniel.
God damn, they shut the hell up on this radio. That's not. I'm busy.
And of course, these frustrations extend to the environment as well.
Hey, man, hold down.
Yeah.
He stuck? Well, yeah, I mean, you is waiting. I don't know what you expected. Better watch out. You might pull something.
Yep. Come on. What a hump. Yeah. Fine. There we go.
And if being weighed down in this mud is a problem, the responders are about to realize why Andrew is stuck so firmly.
How the fuck did he get all the way over there,
Apparently
though?
got a chain and a cement box or cement block
Yeah.
wrapped around his ankle.
Sir? What?
No.
Brady knows, Michael knows.
He has a chain and cement.
He said he has a chain and a weight tied to his ankle.
Further down that ladder.
Okay. So we'll see.
You should say pretty fast.
Is he trying to 60?
Think so.
No.
What's a 60?
Your leg caught on something?
It's that chain.
Come on.
Yeah. If we can get to it, I don't think a rope is.
As the last light fades from the day, the deputies begin to consider the next move.
So he's going to jail.
What's the next move? Is he going to the hospital or is he going to jail? That's gotta suck to be stranded. Then you go to jail for trespassing because your ass wasn't supposed to be back there in the first place. What is Baker?
He's fueled up.
Oh, so he has stuff.
His phone, his hat, these are pants. That's a shirt, it's a water bottle, and there's a hat you can say within that bag.
After more than 2 hours of effort, Andrew is finally pulled from the pit.
Oh my
The police
God.
report describes what first-hand photographs confirm, that Andrew is fully covered in mud and without any clothing.
Without no clothing, what the hell was you doing out there with John with no clothes on?
Had a 100-pound kettlebell chained to his leg. Andrew's family told officials that he recently went through a breakup and had been depressed. Andrew himself tells first responders that he was chained and left here by a man named John he met online, but the reports make no mention of a follow-up investigation.
That is some kinky.
I'll take them bolt cutter from you, buddy.
Oh, all right.
Yes, sir.
Yep. Got a nice coat of peanut butter on them.
Nice.
According to a Facebook post from the Putnam County Sheriff's Office, Andrew was flown to a trauma center in critical condition. Due to his mental health, the post says, no charges are being considered at this time.
Now, why the would there be charges in this case? He went through enough mental already. That was torture being out there. You went out there with a guy, it got a little freaky, and then, you know, he got stranded out there and left, right? Butt naked. Like, no, that was enough punishment enough for him. And then he had the whole county of police officers trying to rescue him. Oh, but you don't need no charges. That shame alone is going to carry him for the rest of his life. Thank God he's alive, though. But thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. How did you guys feel about this video? Leave a comment in the comment section below. And as always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like button and that share button and leave a comment as well. As always, see you at the next video. And that's it, baby. Out.